Some of my friends have been asking why I am. So I always reply, why not I am?
I joined IM for simple reasons. Because when I met the owners, especially Press AM and Vice Aika, I found out that we have the same vision and mission sa pagko-correct at pagde-develop ng mas marami pang mga bagong leaders ng industriyang ito. Nakita ko this is my way in paying back the industry sa magandang buhay na binigay sa akin.
Before ako mag-join dito, ang dami kong questions. Actually, ilang days ko rin siya pinag-aralan, sleepless night, specifically na nakita ko yung marketing plan. Kasi para sa akin, nasa 12 years kami and yung Razon family at ako, and malaki rin naman na itulong sa amin ng multi-level marketing. And malaki talagang kinita namin, pero hindi ko in-expect talaga na pwede pa palang magkaroon ng ganitong marketing plan.
I decided to join IM because of the great vision of the President and the Vice President, of course, si President AM Eder and si Vice President Aika Lorraine Uy.
Aside from our trust with them, yung Complan was just really good. For us, actually, it was revolutionary.
And I'm very sure na ang IM Worldwide ang magiging game changer, not only in the Philippines, but sa buong mundo, sa industriya ng multi-level marketing.
Sobrang nagustuhan ko yung sistema kasi hindi siya yung traditional na binary na kailangan mo lang ng left and right, even one side mo is yun yung gumagana, may kinikita ka pa rin. And at the same time, with just 4 referrals, automatically balik na yung puhunan mo, which is yun yung mga concerns ng ibang mga networkers eh. Kasi kailangan pa nila mag-refer ng maraming volume ng tao para lang bumalik yung puhunan nila.
Pinaka-hesitation ko lang dito, no, bago ako pumasok dito sa IM Worldwide is galing kasi ako sa company na low-end. Meaning, yung membership or yung registration nila is napakababa lang. Nanggaling ako sa 500 lang eh, ang registration. So sabi ko, kaya ko ba yung ganito? Kasi from 500, biglang, di ba, tumaas siya eh. So, tinry ko muna. Sabi ko, baka mamaya hindi ko kaya eh. So, since risk taker ako, sabi ko, sige, join ako dyan since believe ako, pumasok ako, and then ginawa ko siya. Nung ginawa ko siya, nagulat ako. Napakadali lang din pala. Kasi pag pala maganda yung office mo, maganda yung product, maayos yung mga may-ari, maganda yung compensation plan, andun na lahat, mas madali palang makapagpa-join. Yung tipong pag ako nagpo-post sa Facebook, pag ako talaga kumausap ng tao, sila na yung lumalapit eh. Ngayon lang ako naka-encounter ng company na sila na yung lumalapit at sila na nag-i-inquire. Sila na nga namimilit kung paano sumali dito.
Dito ko nakita and dito ko totoong naramdaman yung sinasabi nating pro-distributor na company. Kumbaga, yung owners kasi mismo, every time makita ko sila, di ba, they are working, di ba, ramdam mo, nandun yung puso na gusto talaga nila na magbago yung buhay ng mga tao na niwala sa vision nila nung sinimulan nila yung IM. And for me, bakit IM talaga yung pinili ko, kumbaga solid talaga na IM, because the owners gusto nila maka-implement ng positive change sa network marketing industry, not just in the Philippines, kundi sa buong mundo talaga. Sabi pa nga ni VP Aika, nung first kami nakita, di ba gusto nila ibalik yung totoong network marketing.
Alam ko kasi na yung mga owners, gusto talaga nila is yung mapaganda talaga, not just the company, but yung estado ng mga distributors natin. And I've known them for too long na talagang kita ko na passionate sila sa business. And yun talaga, they live kung ano yung sinasabi nila.
I saw how God-fearing the people behind the company. I saw how sincere they are in terms of the benefits of the distributors. So with that less than an hour discussion, I made a decision that I will definitely join IM Worldwide. I want to be part of this family. This is really an amazing company. Amazing company in a sense that in less than 7 months, the company is already scattered all around the Philippines. We already have an office in Kuwait. We have company-owned offices in Manila, in Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao.
Nakita ko yung camaraderie and yung support ng mga crosslines and yung grupo and the vision ng company na gusto nilang gawin ang network marketing ng malinis. Ang tawag nga ni President AM doon is NEAT working.
Although pioneering stage pa rin yung company natin, very competitive na. Diba? Hindi pa nga tayo umabot ng 1 month since the day na grand launch tayo, pero meron na tayong mga awards. What more na lang, 6 months to 1 year to 3 years, so on and so forth.
Imagine din namin yung dami ng tao na matutulungan ng company. And with God's help, mapapalitan nito ang image ng buong industry sa Philippines.
Ang maganda kasi, yung lahat ng sinabi nila before kami mag-start, unti-unti nagkakatotoo. And mas maganda pa doon, hindi pa rin sila tumitigil kung paano i-improve yung company. And nakikita mo na hindi lang up to 1 year, 5 years, 10 years from now, ang gusto talaga nila, yung I Am Worldwide, ginawa talaga nila to build, to bless a lot of people. And ginawa talaga nila yung I Am Worldwide para iahon talaga yung mga tao na magjo-join sa network marketing. So I think I made the perfect decision to join I Am Worldwide.
Nakita ko dito mas madedevelop pa ako at makakatulong din ako para makapag-develop ng mga bagong leaders kasi yun po talagang gustong-gusto kong gawin. Tulungan ang mga batang networker, and that's one way of me paying back the industry.
In I Am Worldwide, it's usually relationship over money. And the real essence of network marketing is actually relationship, in the sense that you can have lots of money in different kinds of, if you do the network business. But if you're always focused on the money, it's not on my, it's not my belief. And of course, with I Am Worldwide, I can say that this is actually a company where relationship matters.
I'm sure that I really made the right decision. I'm in a family of people who are God-fearing. I'm the family of people who are really sincere for the success of other people. And that makes me sure that I'm really on the right hand. That I'm really on the company which will be the next best thing in the multi-level marketing industry.
Dito nakita ko muling nangarap yung mga downlines ko. Dito nakita ko na bumalik yung gigil nila. Dito nakita ko na each and everyone is given the hope na totoo maging successful talaga sa buhay.
Lahat ng mga struggle, syempre, it will make you better person. And it will grow you as a leader.
Talagang one vision, one goal, one family to really spread the good news ni Lord, and syempre spread the good news ni I Am Worldwide na you can become prosperous. And yun yung will ni Lord for you, to be abundant.
And super enjoy kami, na welcome naman kami ng maayos. And within a month, nakapag-adapt ako because sobrang ganda ng culture dito sa I Am Worldwide.
I believe na itong I Am Worldwide ay talagang magiging worldwide.
President AM and Vice President Aika Loreno are guided by moral standards and God-fearing people. They're very honest, very sincere people. And I feel like I didn't join a company. I felt like I joined a family. The best family ever, I Am Worldwide. So with that, welcome, and I invite you to I Am Worldwide family.
So what are you waiting for?
Be one of us so you can achieve true financial freedom.
So what are you waiting for?
Be one of us so you can
Turn impossibilities
to possibilities.
Be one of us,
So you can give your family
the life that they deserve.
be one of us
So we can turn your dreams
into reality.
So what are you waiting for?
Be one of us so you can lead yourself
And others
towards success.
What are you waiting for?
Be one of us so you can experience health breakthrough.